Iggy says hi. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see my truck right here, well, he likes to sit right now. We're having a little bit of a problem. It's leaking in a freeze, and we think it's a head gasket. So, 4BT coming in soon? No, probably not. I hope it's not that. We're hoping it's, I forget what it's called, a freeze plug. Either way, it's gonna be a bad day. But this truck is, you know, it's a love-hate relationship with this dumb old thing. So I cannot get this stupid freaking steering right. I am done taking it to alignment shops, guys. I'm just gonna do it myself. I'll make a video about it whenever I do it. Of course, I'm just gonna have to bring out the old tactic of the string and a ruler and just measuring it all up. I might end up taking the front spacers off and leaving the rear ones on. Tell me what y'all think about that, because as y'all can tell, the front does stick out more just by looking at it. So I'm thinking maybe if I take these off, by the way, they're 2-inch spacers. So maybe if I take these off, it'll even it out too. And maybe I can get the alignment right and the steering right. I don't know. Hopefully I can. Ever since I moved the I-beams up from the 6-inch to the 4-inch hole, although my lift is a 6-inch, like y'all guys told me to do that. And also I've been doing a lot of research, and I think that is the right thing to do. Whether or not it's going to help with the steering or not, because I've been seeing a whole bunch of stuff about the rough country lift settling 2 inches fairly quickly, especially with how much I drive this truck. I'm pretty dang sure that is what has happened. But yeah, here it is right here, and let me go ahead and get on with the video. So now this is definitely a lot different of a video than what I usually make. I'm just super bored, just chilling here today. And if none of y'all know what the game Offroad Outlaws is, I'm not sponsored by them or advertising them in any way, but I figured it would be kind of cool to like build my truck in there. They have like a single cab, like the OBS style truck in there. Mine is extended cab. That's going to be the only difference, but I'm going to try to get it pretty much as good as I can on the game or whatever, just for fun, just to see how y'all like it. I don't really have anything to do to my truck right now to make videos about, so I was like, hey, why not do something like this? I had seen a few of these videos pop up on my like recommended on YouTube, and I was like, let me go ahead and give her a shot, and I'll make one and see how y'all like it. So I guess let's start trying to build this thing. Alright guys, so here is the one that we're going to be trying to build and making it as close as we possibly can to my truck in real life. Like I said a minute ago, it is a single cab, so we'll try to get as close as we can. You know, obviously a few things we can't change, stuff like the grill and the mirrors and stuff like that, but we'll get it as close as we can. as you guys can tell, I got it pretty dang close to what it looks like in real life. Well, at least I think I did. And sorry for some of those parts being so long. It was actually kind of hard to get that wide in there. But guys, other than this truck being super freaking dirty, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys like this video, drop down more ideas down in the comments of what y'all want me to do with it, it being the Off-Road Outlaws. But hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already, subscribe if you're new. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.